Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing how to make Kerala style Chemmeen roast, also known as prawns roast. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make Kerala style Chemmeen roast or prawns roast, I have already sliced a small piece of ginger. I have sliced into lengthwise about 4 garlic cloves, 1 green chili which I have sliced. Green chili you can increase or decrease to suit your taste. 6 to 7 shallots sliced. Shallots are also known as cherry ulli in Malayalam. Few curry leaves, and I have cleaned half kg prawns. I have also soaked 1 kudam puli, also known as Garcinia cambogia, in little water. I have soaked the kudam puli for about 15 minutes. I have sliced coconut into small pieces. Once the clay pan is heated, add in wood pressed coconut oil, 1 tablespoon wood pressed coconut oil. Lightly swirl the pan so that the oil is coated all over the pan. And once the oil is heated, add in half teaspoon mustard seeds. And once the mustard seeds starts to splatter, reduce the flame to the lowest and add in the ingredients. Give it a stir. Saute the small onions until it starts to turn transparent or light pink in color. Once the onion starts to turn transparent, add in 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, and give this all a mix. Lightly saute for about 20 to 30 seconds so that the raw flavor of the spices are diminished. And then add in the soaked kudam puli along with its water. I have soaked the kudam puli in 1/4 cup of water. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed, and then add in the cleaned prawns. Give it a stir. Add in the sliced coconut pieces. So this is about 1/3 of a coconut which I have sliced into small pieces. Now give this a stir. Cover and allow the prawns to get cooked. Let's check on the prawns. As you can see, water has started to release out, and I'm giving it a stir, and I'm going to allow the water to get absorbed. So I'm going to leave it open. I'm not covering it with the lid. Okay, now the water has evaporated and the gravy has thickened. So I'm going to roast it on low flame, and make sure that you stir it on and off, and make sure that the chemmeen is spread out on the pan nicely so that both the sides get roasted really well. After about 2 minutes, again turn it over and just lightly mix it and then spread it out. After about 10 to 15 minutes, you can see that the prawns has roasted well and the masala is coated on the prawns. Now the chemmeen is nicely roasted and I'm turning off the flame. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.